Visitor center and tours. Holy cow, girl, that is no joke. You're not kidding. So there's water on this side. You can't quite see. Get on your shoulder. I'll lift you up to see in a minute. I'll lift you up to see in a minute. It is lower than I remember, I'll tell you that. Quite a bit. Alright, let me pick you up so you can see. One moment. Here. Alright. Passing the street. The dog saying to stop. Show us the water, Cadence. Whoa! Maverick, what do you see? That one? You like that? What did you find, Cadence? Show mommy. Put it on, put it on. Construction worker Cadence. What are you building? A city?
No, Tire City.
Oh, got it. Okay. Yeah, that worked. All right, let's build. Push the button all by yourself. Whoa, go up high, Cadence. I can fit, yeah. I can fit. Because you want me to go with you, right? All right, let's do the microscope, Cadence. I mean, yeah, microscope. I think it's got to be there. There, now you can see. Okay, what do we see? Leave that there. What do we see? Turn this. That'll be nice. Say cheese. We're in Vegas, everybody. It's going amazing.
Mommy Cafe is Vegas.
Yeah?
Mommy Cafe is Vegas.
Yes, she is. We're getting some, that's the Ferris wheel. All right, Mommy, where are we?
We're at Red Rock Canyon.
Where, Cadence, you'll do it next. Hold on, let Mommy say. We're at Red Rock Canyon. Oh, I'll let you do Cadence Cam in a bit, but please, we're trying to do this. All right.
No, I'm right now.
Sorry. In a bit, buddy, in a bit.
No, right now. No, right now.
All right, go ahead. Do some Cadence Cam.
Yeah, we just get right.
Yeah.
I can't. Hi. Come.
All right, I'll hold that. All right. All right, here we are at Red Rock Canyon, everybody. We're ready for hiking. All got our gear and our sandals and everything ready to go. How do we get down here?
I want to go over here.
Whoa, look at all those rocks. Are you good, Nicole? You don't feel like you're gonna trip or anything with that? Wow, look at that down there. That looks cool. Yeah, we went to the top last time I was here. You can't, we're not gonna go to the top. I know, how did we not? I don't know what anyone was thinking.
Hiking. I don't want to go hiking, Mommy.
We're gonna go get up on those big rocks, take a few pictures, and then we're gonna go back.
No.
But remember, we have to be careful we don't fall.
No.
So we're at Red Rock Canyon, Las Vegas. Very beautiful, very scenic. Not necessarily the most kid-friendly hiking. We don't think that we're gonna take the kids up there just because of the steep rocks with straight drops, but very scenic and beautiful to come out here. You can see people rock climbing, and the rocks are huge in person. Yeah, you're right. I'm turning around. We're finding a potty right away. I saw a bus turn around up here, so I'm thinking bus turn around up there. Playing in the bushes is fun, isn't it?
It was a little bit silly.
It was a little bit silly. Daddy pee-peed with Cadence.